Alright, welcome back YouTube. I've taken a couple of weeks off because I didn't have a bike, sold my Hayabusa, went shopping for more bikes, couple project bikes, maybe get me a good bike. And after making a quick trip to Dallas, I came up with, boom, this 2007 Yamaha R6 in a beautiful custom wrap by factory EFFEX. Well, bike mods really simply included, the fender delete, M4 pipe. They put the sliders on. I put the levers on just the other day. Smoked windshield. And really, that was about it, other than, new tail seat. Otherwise, the bike is pretty much stock. And absolutely gorgeous. And completely perfect. So, finally, got a chance to get my GoPro back. Make a nice little video. Kind of show a review of a bike I got off Facebook. Found it in Dallas. Went and made the trip with a trailer. Bought it, brought it back. And absolutely love this bike. So now we're going to go for a ride. And I'm going to give you exactly what I think about it. And what it's like buying a bike. Alright, only downside of the bike. 2007. Has 25,000 miles right there, but that's okay because she runs and drives like she's brand new. And the good news is the bike is wrapped with basically a giant sticker, which is red skulls. And I may not have actually reviewed it yet, but my helmet is the Icon Airflight Chrome Edition, which is red skulls. And conveniently, my leather racing jacket is a red Icon with skulls. I think I have a thing for red skulls. Literally the trifecta. So the good news is she definitely gets up and moves. So for pretty much a factory bike, still has the factory catalytic converter. You do have like a sluggish lower end. Anything under 6,000 to below is real sluggish. And you have a lag, see, watch. And then all of a sudden it starts to pull. Which is perfectly fine because that means this is like one of those phenomenal bikes where you can begin with and ride. That's not going to get you killed because it has forgiveness. So for instance, okay, so we're doing 60, right? Full throttle. And that's all she's got until all of a sudden 8,000 RPMs and it starts pulling you back. And then you can go a step further and keep on going, and about 12,000 it starts screaming down the road. That's the nice thing about an R6 is somebody did a dyno test, and I think even at like 8,000 RPMs it still only has like 50 something horsepower. The nice thing about that is it's a nice bike that's not trying to get you killed unless you really push it. If you want to wrap this thing out into high RPMs and stay there, this thing's going to be just as fast as most other bikes. And this one's quick. For, being for most part a stock bike with a lot of miles, she's got some go to her. You see right there, I mean, just nice, smooth bike, not trying to kill me. It's right there. Okay, so this is fourth gear, 4,000 RPMs about. Full throttle. See, not too bad. She's just smooth and predictable and forgiving for basically a factory setting bike. I mean, really the only performance mod this thing has is the M4 slip-on shorty exhaust, which has a good little tone to it. And the brakes feel phenomenal. Just a light touch and you slow down real good. Give them a little squeeze and you stop really good. Wait for these cars to come by. I'll give you a little what she feels like giving some go. So like I said, get into some RPMs. Say here's like 10,000, go full throttle. She's a rev happy bike. You get her to that RPM and she's gonna scream. Like I said, about 6,000 to 7,000 is that like programmable point where she's nice, calm, fuel efficient, fantastic bike. Give a little bit of gas to get past that point and she goes crazy. I'm sure we've all seen videos of R6s doing unspeakable things on the track, you know, and on the road. These things are phenomenal. Like I said, absolutely phenomenal handling. Virtually effortless to bring her down to a nice tight turn. Ooh, white Corvette over there on blocks. It's kind of sad. But basically, the idea of this bike is to enjoy a bike that's calm and collected, good handling, astonishing looks. But then, you know, if you just want to go screaming down some curves, you can. Like I said, for what I paid for it, 25,000 miles, 07, great bike. One of my favorites. I greatly miss having a Yamaha. And this one is no exception. Could possibly be one of my favorite bikes. I mean, obviously the Aprilia is probably going to be my everyday favorite bike because that thing was just awesome. And here we go. Going for it. said, she'll get up and move if you wanted to. And as far as I can tell, this bike has had no issues ever, other than just general services and good hard brakes. Surprisingly good factory brakes. Not a complaint in the world there. I guess we'll put her back into the shop for now. Just let her cool down. But it's been a great bike. I mean, does great in slow traffic, does great on the highway, great on the tracks. There's my other R6. You know, I mean, it's not an Italian bike. I can actually find neutral. But overall bike, fantastic. If you're thinking about getting R6 or find a deal on one, perhaps around this age model, go for it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate you watching my video. Hope you liked it. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.